So we got wonderful waves, and just listen, it's very soothing how tide is out, and the sand is like amazing. It's like very high in like quartz and stuff. It's really beautiful. Well, this is also Karachi.